Struggling to find a profitable digital product to sell online? I was too, until I discovered Embracing Your Happy Heart, a ready to sell bundle that helped me make $1,500 in just 2 weeks on Etsy. If you want a low effort, high reward business, stick around. I'll show you exactly how it works. This digital product includes printable journals, affirmation cards, and self care checklists, perfect for the booming happiness and wellness niche. No design skills? No problem. It's fully customizable, comes with a commercial license, and even has a done for you sales page so you can start selling immediately. I listed it on Etsy, optimized my keywords, and boom, sales started rolling in. In my first week, I made 300 points. By the second week, 1,500. The best part? Want to try it yourself? The link to the offer is pinned in the first comment below. If you're serious about making money with digital products in 2025, this is a game changer. For a detailed review, check out my LinkedIn, link in the description, where I break down my exact strategy. Don't wait. Start your digital products business today and see the results for yourself. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.